In Lafayette, warm temperatures and humidity are part of everyday life for much of the year. While air conditioning plays an important role in keeping homes comfortable, natural ventilation is just as valuable. The right window style can make a significant difference in how fresh and comfortable your home feels, and awning windows are one of the best options for improving airflow. With their practical design and energy-efficient performance, awning windows offer Lafayette homeowners a smart way to enhance ventilation without sacrificing protection or comfort. Designed to capture fresh air, awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward from the bottom, typically operated with a simple crank mechanism. When opened, the glass panel angles outward, creating a small, awning effect. This design allows fresh air to flow into your home while still providing some shielding from the elements. In Lafayette, where afternoon rain showers are common, you can keep awning windows open during light rain without worrying about water entering your home. This unique opening style makes awning windows especially effective for steady, controlled ventilation. Encouraging continuous air circulation, proper airflow is essential for maintaining comfort in Lafayette's humid climate. Stale indoor air can trap moisture, odors, and pollutants, making your home feel heavy and uncomfortable. Awning windows help promote consistent air exchange. When strategically placed, they allow fresh air to enter while warm, stale air exits through other openings. This natural air movement reduces humidity buildup and improves overall indoor air quality. Opening both top and bottom sashes in different parts of your home can even create a cross breeze, enhancing airflow throughout living areas. Ideal for high moisture areas, certain rooms in Lafayette homes benefit especially from improved ventilation. Bathrooms often trap steam after showers. Kitchens accumulate heat and cooking odors. Laundry rooms can build up moisture quickly. Awning windows are perfect for these spaces because they are compact and can be installed higher on walls. Their crank operation makes them easy to open, even in tight or hard-to-reach spots. By allowing moisture to escape, awning windows help reduce the risk of mold and mildew, a key concern in humid environments. Ventilation without sacrificing security. One concern homeowners sometimes have about opening windows is security. Awning windows address this with their outward opening design and secure locking systems. Because they open from the bottom and are often installed higher on the wall, they are less accessible from the outside. When closed, modern awning windows seal tightly with multi-point locking mechanisms that enhance security and energy efficiency. This allows you to enjoy fresh air while maintaining peace of mind. Energy efficiency supports comfort. Ventilation is important, but so is maintaining energy efficiency when windows are closed. Awning windows are known for their tight compression seals, which minimize air leakage. Many models also include double-pane glass low-E coatings, insulated vinyl or fiberglass frames. These features help regulate indoor temperatures, keeping cooled air inside during hot Lafayette summers. Flexible placement options. Awning windows can be used alone or paired with larger fixed windows, such as picture windows. In living rooms or bedrooms, a fixed window can provide expansive views while awning windows on the sides add ventilation. This combination gives Lafayette homeowners both airflow and visual appeal. A practical upgrade for Lafayette. Living in a climate where humidity and heat are constant factors, proper ventilation is essential. Awning windows offer a practical solution by improving airflow, reducing moisture buildup, and enhancing comfort, all while maintaining energy efficiency and security. For Lafayette homeowners looking to breathe easier and create a fresher indoor environment, awning windows provide a simple yet highly effective upgrade that supports comfort throughout the year.